Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with a Color Play by Color Street unboxing. This is February 2025, Gilded Age. It actually arrived a day early, so I'm super excited to be able to unbox this and see what's inside. If you haven't received your box yet and you don't want the surprise ruined, click off this video and come back later. Otherwise, keep watching. I have not seen any spoilers for this. I've been doing really well avoiding Facebook and Instagram and wherever else spoilers can be posted, and I am just so ready to open this up and see what's inside. January's box was awesome, so they started off Color Street in 2025 with a banger. Let's just see if they're continuing to do that or they're lacking in the next month. So here we go. Going to, ooh, I already see a box. We'll take a look at that box later, and we'll look at that pamphlet later. But nail prep pad and file as per norm, and let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, they're doing the 5 again. This is great. I love it. Okay, so first things first, vintage tapestry. So again, Gilded Age is the name of the box. Whoa. I don't know how I feel about it. It's very pretty, but so intricate. How's that going to look on my nails? I do like this strip. I like this one a lot. I don't know how I feel about this one and this one. It, for some reason, makes my skin crawl. I don't know, but I like these. And there's at least 3 of those. And I like these. It's just this. I don't know about this. What do you guys think? If you guys got this box and you guys saw this strip, are you guys creeped out by those? Or is it just me? But that one's called Vintage Tapestry. Alright. We've got Luxe Dècor. Luxe Dècor. Oh. I love that. Okay. Definitely am a fan. And that looks like a fan. I love that. And I love the colors. This is very pretty. And we've got 2 art sets right out the back for Gilded Age. I wonder if they're all going to be art sets. Petal Prism. Oh, that definitely is a carbon copy of the box. I love this. But is that going to look nice on my skin tone? I don't know, but I'm loving those flowers, and I definitely need, well, actually I don't. I was going to say I need to grow my nails back long again, but it actually looks like the design might suit shorter nails. I don't know. But then it's also different on both sides, so that's interesting because I'm not used to seeing it like that. So maybe I should grow my nails long and it would look better having both of the sides of the design show up. But that's Petal Prism, and I like it a lot. Those subtle colors. Ooh, it looks metallic. It's so good. Rosy Reverie. Rosy Reverie. Ah, here we go. This is a solid shimmer color, but it's hard to tell. It's when you move it around, it has, I can't tell. It almost looks rusty and not rosy. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not sure how I feel about that one. That one likely is going to get cut up and used with other sets. That's Rosy Reverie. And this is Gilded Glow. Gilded Glow. Oh, I love that. Okay. Probably Gilded Glow would look fabulous over Rosy Reverie. But yes, I love these glitters. They're like almost pastel-y, so it's getting towards like springtime, and I love that. Alright, so here are all 5 sets. I love that there's 5 sets. Now, not as fabulous as January's, but not bad. 5 sets is definitely something that I will be here for. Totally worth the value. What is this though? What's in the box? What's in the box? Necklace? Whoa, they're giving us a necklace? What? Let's take a look at the necklace. Okay. Alright. I mean, it's simple. And I don't know how I feel about it. It's gold. Not real gold, obviously. They wouldn't give us a real gold necklace. But it's gold in color. I probably would never wear this. And it feels really... I don't know. Like, for me, I don't even like the traditional yellow gold color. I usually like white gold or even rose gold. My all-time favorite is Italian gold because it has all 3 colors of the gold. But yeah, I don't know. I probably will never wear that. So, not wowed. The box is beautiful though. But that's the free item. So here we are. Color Play by Color Street, Gilded Age, February 2025. In this month's box, evoke the classic charm of the Gilded Age in color play. This box features eye-catching metallics, glamorous glitters, and chic nail designs that take your manicure to the next level. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design inspired by the gold period. Bonus item, dress your neck in luxury with this flattering 3-tier mixed link necklace for any occasion. Meet the strips. Luxe Dècor, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer. Embrace the golden thrill of the Gilded Age with this teal and aqua mixed mani design featuring a luxurious arch motif and a stunning shimmer finish. Is it arch or arc? Oh well. Vintage Tapestry is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter, reminiscent. Oh, is it glitter? Oh yeah, it is glitter. It's like a micro glitter. Reminiscent of delicate antique wallpaper and is a nail design inspired by vintage tapestry. A light pink and raspberry print striped floral pattern topped in gold glitter. Petal Prism is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer. Turn heads with this unique nail strip featuring a shimmering rose gold base topped with a stained glass floral design. And then Rosy Reverie, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, is a shimmer. Rosy Reverie is the ideal wine shade. Wine? Yeah, I guess it could be considered wine. I usually like the wine a little darker though. But this ideal wine shade to show off a timeless manicure featuring a rosy shimmer with a gold flash. And then Gilded Glow, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. Decorate your nails in a gilded glow with lavender gold and holographic glitter on a clear base. I love that they told us it's a clear base because I was like, it better be an overlay. And it totally is. And then here we've got Vintage Tapestry and Rosy Reverie. Front cover is just Luxe Dècor by itself. And then the back cover is Vintage Tapestry and Rosy Reverie. Oh, so it's the same as this one right here. Share with us. Share your glamorous manicure on social media and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. I finally remembered to do that, finally, with the January box because, like I said, That box was just amazeballs. Alright, but we have Luxe Dècor right there. And then Petal Prism with Gilded Glow. Well, Gilded Glow looks so subtle on Petal Prism. Like, barely can see it. And then you have Luxe Dècor, Petal Prism. And you got Rosy Reverie, Vintage Tapestry, Gilded Glow, and Petal Prism. It looks so different. Different than what I thought it would look like on Rosy Reverie. I'm definitely not putting Gilded Glow on Rosy Reverie, so thank you, Color Street, for testing that out for me so that I didn't have to test it out. But yeah. What do you guys think? Worth the $30 plus tax? Definitely don't care for the necklace. For me, at least. But all of these strips, I totally would wear. So I say that this box gets 2 thumbs up. And if you watched the whole unboxing video and you want to leave a comment, feel free to do so. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and you can use a glass of wine, since they said Rosy Reverie is a wine color, even though I don't believe it. But a glass of wine emoji if you'd like to leave a comment and you don't know what to comment. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.